Alright boys, we're delivering right after a couple of snow days. How do I even get in here? Okay, let's go on top of the snow. No. Let's go around and then go through here. It's beginning to look like Christmas in January. This is the store. Do you have Hindi ready? I cannot scroll down. Can you scroll down for me? Thank you. This is the best time to drive. There's not as many riders out right now. What the heck is this? There's no reason why you would want to be here, so I should be fine right here. Like, where are you gonna go? Through the snow? In this bus lane? No. I got 2 items here. I didn't even see that. I thought I was just doing a double order. Hey sir, I'm here to pick up 2 things. Alright, let's get the hell out of here, man. I take my gloves off for 1 second and I'm cold already. Hello? Anybody home? Uber Eats! Damn, my voice. What the heck is this falling on me? Okay. Let me call them.
I'm coming, thank you.
Alright, thank you. Hi.
Hello. You weren't here a long time, right?
No, I've been here a second. I went over there for a minute because it was open. But... Okay. There you go. Thank you so much. Happy... Yeah. Still alive. I'm still alive. How the heck do I get in here? Alright, I think I can go through here. Yo! Okay. Hey. Shanice, correct? Yes. Alright. Oh, looks cool, man. This car is buried. They're not driving for another month. Guys, the craziest thing just happened off camera. I was rolling through some snow in the middle of the street. I was going kind of fast. I was going like 25, 30, and I started sliding around, right? But I stayed on, and I did the longest power slide I've ever done in my life, and I've never done a power slide before. It was like a 5-foot long power slide, and I saved it right at the very end, and I wasn't recording. Here you go, sir. Have a good day. Alright, time to scale a mountain. No, I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna scale the mountain. I think I'm gonna go around. Go through this footpath. Okay. Fire footpath. Where's Juicy Crab? Where's Juicy Crab? Is this Juicy Crab? I think so. I'm here to pick this up. Thank you. Jeez, there's salt all over my bag. Must be from all the wheelies. Let's scale this mountain. We're at Burger King, y'all. Look at the traffic. Still people outside in this weather. Because you gotta make the money. Wipe my feet. I gotta wipe my feet, bro. I made a mess. But it's fine. Here to pick up for Maria.
Here you go.
Thank you. Appreciate you. Boom. And let SpongeBob die. Hashtag let SpongeBob die. Oh, get off the bike. Get off. Go give the food. I'm looking for the building. Oh, it's an apartment. I think it's right here. Can I get through? Okay, cool. Hello. Happy Tuesday. Your Juicy Crab. Here you go.
The code is 1052.
Okay, thank you. Damn, man, why are the windows so high in this place? Hello. Yeah. Why did it take you so long to open the door?
Oh, no, it's because I was like, shit, my phone.
Oh, okay.
Alright, 1773.
Thank you.
It's supposed to be below freezing. I'd give it like maybe at least.
My toes are so frozen. My hands are fine. My toes need some help though.
It's me.
Hi. Okay, cool.
Thank you for coming up. I'm sorry, I'm working. I'm on the phone.
It's okay.
No, wait a minute. Do me a favor.
It's a
Please,
part of my job.
No. The tips don't work. Take my thing. Let me get you some money.
Okay, thank you.
Sorry, my place is really messy. I'm 66 and I look like a damn dog.
Okay.
I really do.
I'm not coming into your place.
No, sorry. $4 is not enough. I'm sorry. It's freezing
go.
out. Listen, I waited 2 hours. Please.
2 hours?
No. It took me 2 hours. The 2 bottles of wine are mine.
This one.
You on a
Careful.
scooter?
Yeah, I'm on a scooter.
God bless. I'm sorry. That's
Thank you so much. It's okay.
I don't know what's going on with the app. There's no place anymore to put a tip.
Oh, what, like
On
after?
Uber Eats. I can say you're great. It's gone. The tip is gone.
Oh, I didn't know.
There's ones and zeros.
Mm-hmm.
And the ones and the zeros direct the program.
Okay.
That's all I knew. And then you did a program and you got a punch card with the holes in it.
Okay, I gotta get out of here.
God bless you.
Thank you so
At
much.
least I hope I gave you something. Be safe and be
Yeah,
well.
thank you so much.
God bless you.
Stuck in the elevator at the first floor. The door wouldn't open. It's just pure snow. Okay guys, we made it. Hi. I appreciate the friendly welcome.
No problem.
Did you bring your ID?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. Here you are.
Thank you so much.
Enjoy your day.
Have a good day. Stay warm.
Thank you. Where are we going next? Bobby Flay Steak. Okay. We're gonna pick up filet mignon in 2 coconut waters. That's my favorite beverage, coconut water. Let's go. My phone is so cold, it's at 5% battery. Even though it's been plugged in. I'm here to pick up Tony. Thank you. Gonna be in the Sheepshead Bay area. Please speed! I'm a streamer. I'm big, I know. Please, let's do something. Speed. Please, speed. I need this. Oh my god, I'm going to lose. My mom's kind of homeless. Go around. After this order, I'm gonna be doing one last delivery for McDonald's. And yeah. It'll be a 4-hour shift. Hey sir, there you go. Have a good day. Excuse me, is Sabrina there? Thanks. Thank you. Whew. Okay. I made it here to deliver the McDonald's, and I thought it was gonna be a double order, but it ended up being one. And it's still 20 minutes until the 4-hour mark is reached. But I'm not trying to stay out any longer. My feet are so freezing cold, I can't feel them, and they don't hurt anymore. And I'm pretty sure that's when you start to get worried, is when you're so cold you don't even feel the pain. So I'm just gonna head home, hit the gym.
Hello.
Hi. Sorry, taking a picture.
Oh, you're looking at the...
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hi. Actually, I'm gonna go inside. It's really cold. Thank you. I appreciate you. Oh, it's nice in here. Wow. You mind if I look around your store? Here you go.
Yes, thank you.
You're welcome. This shit hella creepy, man. I just warmed up in the store for a really long time. I think I got another 30 minutes left in me. I'm just gonna go pick up from Cafe Chocolat, and that's gonna be it. That's gonna be it for the day. Alright. Official last order. Hey, how you doing? Here for this. Thank you. Oh, come on, bro. I'm sliding like crazy. Oh my god, what the fuck, man? What is this shit telling me? Dippity, yo, dippity, hey, dippity. There's nothing in front of us. This guy is just standing there for no reason. Oh yeah, uh-huh, yep. Oh yeah, oh yeah, baby. Hi, I'm sorry, it's Uber. I didn't see that it said to drop it off at the door. I'm here. I'm just gonna leave it there for you. Oh,
Thank
hi.
you so much.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I just...
Okay, no problem.
Yeah.
What a weather.
Yeah. Here you go.
Thank you so much. Have a good night.
Enjoy your night.
Thank you.
Alright. Now I get to go home. It is so cold. And the drivers are just extra bad. Like, these drivers, it's not about them being able to control their car. It's about them not being able to make the right decisions. Like, yeah. If you watched this far to the video, please like the video.